Is it possible for underscore contains underscore to return non-boolean value? The documentation says that underscore contains underscore should return true if item is in self, false otherwise. However, if the method returns a non-boolean value x, it seems that Python automatically converts it to bool x. Is there any way to avoid that, and return the actual value x? Or is this feature behavior implemented directly in the interpreter and there's no way to change this?
Underscore bool underscore is indeed being called on the return value of underscore contains underscore. Consider the following classes. Which behave like this. So as far as I know, you are out of luck. You could sneakily override underscore bool underscore on the value underscore contains underscore returns, but that will only delay the type error because underscore bool underscore must return true or false. For additional context, see, can the Python bool function raise an exception for an invalid argument?
Note that it's not underscore contains underscore that converts the value to a boolean, but the in operator that calls underscore contains underscore with.
A foo bar will be compiled to compare underscore op in for Python 3. The implementation uses the sequence underscore contain and then coerces to result to a bool. So while you could return something else, you always end up with a bool after the call.
In Python documentation, section 6.10.2, membership test operations says, for user-defined classes which define the underscore contains underscore method, x and y returns true if y dot underscore contains underscore x, returns a true value, and false otherwise. So clearly, if you return a non-bool, the in operator will still return a boolean. If you directly call underscore contains underscore, then of course you will get whatever result is returned from it. For example,
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.